In this lecture, I am going to give introduction about push down automata. So finite automata with stack is called as push down automata. That means push down automata works same as like finite automata. In addition to that, stack will be there. So stack work as like last in first out fashion. So here two operations are used. One is push operation, another one is pop operation. Pushdown automata is mainly used in compiler. That is second and third phase of compiler pushdown automata concept is used. And the language used in pushdown automata is context free language, and the grammar used here is context free grammar. According to Chomsky hierarchy of language, pushdown automata comes under type 2. I'm going to explain 7 tuples of pushdown automata. These are the 7 tuples of pushdown automata. Q, that is finite non-empty set of state. Sigma, finite non-empty set of input symbol. And this is finite non-empty set of pushdown symbol. Q naught is initial state. Z naught is initial pushdown symbol on pushdown store. And this is transition function, which is denoted like this: present state, present input symbol, which can be null also, and top of the stack symbol equal to next state, and the symbol which is in push down can be push operation or after pop operation. So this is present state, and this is present input symbol, it can be null also, and the current stack symbol which is in top of the stack equal to this is next state, and this is after push or pop operation which is in stack. Operations used in push down automata. Two operations are used in push down automata. One is push operation, another one is pop operation. In pop operation, there are two cases. So let me explain first push operation and then I'll explain pop operation. Suppose Q naught is my present state, A is my present input, Z naught top of the stack. I am going to push this input to top of the stack equal to next state is Q1, and I am going to push this A to top of the stack, so that in stack I'll be having A Z naught. Assume this is my stack. So Q naught is my present state, A present input, Z naught top of the stack. So previously Z naught was in top of the stack, and now next state is Q1. I have pushed this A, that is input A, to top of the stack. So right now A will be in top of the stack. So this is push operation. Next I am going to explain pop operation. There are two cases for pop operation. I am going to explain this transition with example. The first case, let me explain. Suppose Q naught is my present state, A is my present input, Z naught top of the stack. My next state is Q1, and I am going to pop both the input as well as stack. So previously here input symbol is A, and in my stack Z naught will be there, and afterwards next state in stack I have used null. That means I am going to pop this input, that is A, as well as Z naught. So in stack there will be null. Next I am going to explain about second case of pop operation. Suppose Q naught is my present state, A is my present input, Z naught top of the stack. Now my next state is Q1, and now in stack I'm going to write only Z naught. That means I'm going to pop only input symbol A, and previously here Z naught will be in top of the stack, and after pop operation also Z naught will be in stack. So only A is popped. So this is about this pop operation. Next I am going to explain all these tuples with one example. So I have written question over here, and the transitions also I have written, 4 transitions also I have written. Now I want to find remaining tuples. The remaining tuples are 6 more tuples, because already I completed transition in question. So I want to find Q, I want to find sigma, I want to find push down symbol, and initial state, initial push down symbol, and final state. So in this example, The different states are Q0, Q1 and Qf. And two input symbols are I have used. That means check this middle part which is input symbol. So here I have used A and B. So two input symbols I have used, that is A and B. And in stack, I have used A and Z0. So this portion is stack, the one which I have circled. So here if you check this one, here I have used A and Z0. So the stack symbol is A and Z0. The initial state is first transition. Here in first present state I have used Q0, that is my initial state. And initial push down symbol is first transition. In the place of stack I have used Z0. So this is my initial push down symbol. And final state is in last transition. Here I have used QF. So this is my final state. And transition is already mentioned in question. So these are the 7 tuples of push down automata.